Alright guys, I picked up a loose Choro-Q service vehicle. This is an off-road mobile crane. And it doesn't say what's on the bottom of it. It just says 2003 was when this thing came out. And it's Choro-Q number 80. I should probably take Google Translate to that text there. But I did a search for Japan crane and Kobelco came up. Maybe that's a Japanese crane company. But if you see, it's a pretty angular cockpit. It's somewhat similar. And then on this one, it's got 4 headlights and a turn signal, so that's kind of similar to this as well. And then there's also a hook rearing area here. So if I had to, guess, maybe this is a Kobelco crane. It's got the angular fender covers as well. So, of course, it's just all hypothetical. Here's a top view of such a crane, a different Kobelco, I guess. So, it's pretty interesting, There's no way I would ever collect a 1/64 scale crane. It would just be massive. But this one has actually the standard type of stamped steel wheels, but I guess they look industrial. And then this thing rotates. It's got painted black windows. Or maybe I think they're just painted black. And then the crane does go up and down. The hook doesn't move though. Again, this is a toy for people. It's a wind-up toy, so you can actually put a coin back here and have a crane do a wheelie. No tail lights painted on. They're molded. I think there was a price tag sticker there. Some glue residue. So not much to it because I don't really know much about cranes other than they lift things, and this one apparently goes off-road. And it's got some silver headlights. That's the only paint app I see. That and the windows are the only paint I see on this thing. So I'm gonna guess this is like the standard Choro-Q, pretty cheap, and it's just number 80 in the line. So interesting. I'm not sure if I'll get other construction vehicles. They're small enough. They don't take up much room. Here's a green light Ford. No, not Ford. What is this thing? It's a Nissan Patrol. So, I mean, this is a crane and it's smaller than a small Jeep-like vehicle. So that's why I collect these things. Alright, let's put it up on the spin thing. No 1/64 scale comparisons other than that, which is a stretch. But I do have a couple service vehicles from Choro-Q. Here's a fire truck with a boom, one of those walking, or a crane, I guess. This one's got some opening panels. And then here's a funky service one. And, well, I guess it's not a service vehicle, but it's a TV truck for TV Asahi Japan. And you can rotate and lift this satellite dish around. So, yeah, all 3 of these vehicles I would have never considered collecting prior to finding Choro-Qs, and then yeah, they're just too big unless they're cartooned. Alright, so I just thought I'd share that with you guys. Something totally different, even amongst my cartoon vehicles. This is a different one. Alright, well, a quick video, so I'll see you around. Thanks for watching.